Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up there above the $5 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 5, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 5, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this previous breakout point, which sits right around $4.80. So 5 and then 4.80, two of the near-term levels. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing very complicated here. The party stopped today on several occasions right up there at the $5.20 mark. So 5.20 will be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, anyway, look at it, very nice movement. Like I said, not only from the price action perspective, but also the volume point of view. And now it's just a question of the bulls continue to chip away and build higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.